Managing Director, CEO of Bank of Industry, Dr. Olasupo Olusi. He had made all the plans and everything to be here for this event, but due to exigencies of duty as important as this, he was not able to make it and extends his apology to the government and people of Rivers State. I'm reading his speech. Though he says he's delighted to be here in the Garden City, which I am representing him, the treasure base of the nation, to join His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, to officially flag off the Rivers State Government Bank of Industry 4 billion matching fund scheme to support the development of MSMEs in the 23 local governments of Rivers State. I also want to congratulate the government and good people of Rivers State, as well as the Bank of Industry, in ensuring that the collaborative conversations, which began last year, has now blossomed into the creation of the 4 billion matching fund. We are indeed very positive that this relationship, which is just starting now, will culminate to the socio-economic development of Rivers State, create jobs for the teeming youths who are the major beneficiaries of this scheme, and help check some of the vices in the country, and most importantly, increase the internally generated revenue of the state, because these new beneficiaries will be captured under the tax bracket of the state. Your Excellency, BOI remains committed and a steadfast pillar of development financing in Nigeria for over 60 years. Our remarkable record and total assets exceeds 4 trillion naira, which makes BOI the largest and most successful development finance institution in the nation. We have managed various matching funds and managed funds with various states, totaling a total of over 1 trillion naira. That shows we have the capacity to do this business. And the matching fund could be with state government, federal government establishments, and other international development institutions. It will interest us to know that our total investment in Rivers State, as at today, stands at 55.65 billion naira, which accounts for 55% of the total investment in the entire South-South. So Rivers State alone is taking the chunk of our investment. In addition, we also have a regional office here in Rivers State. That's why I came here with my team. I came with the divisional head of Bank of Industry for the South-South, the regional manager, and other of my colleagues from the Bank of Industry. Distinguished guests, we at the Bank of Industry, we played a major role in supporting Nigerian enterprises by providing financial services. Not just the finance, we also provide advisory services. We are interested in watching business grow from nano to micro to small, medium, and getting to large enterprises. Our mandate is to create development impact, which is in sync with the economic blueprints of His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State. And this transformation cuts across various sectors: agriculture, oil and gas, power and aviation, as well as tourism. And hospitality is not left out. This, we believe, will crystallize industrialization and economic sustainability in Rivers State. In closing, I want to say a very big thank you to His Excellency for this opportunity and this collaboration, and the people of and government of Rivers State. We pray and hope that this new collaboration and chapter will lead to a greater Rivers State of Nigeria. Thank you for your kind attention.
I feel really happy that this program finally is being unveiled, and about the period that we are marking our 1 year in office. I'm pleased to be here to launch the Rivers State Government and the Bank of Industry 4 billion matching fund loan scheme for micro, small, and medium-scale businesses across the states. You will recall that during my electionary campaign and in my campaign blueprint, I promised to support the entrepreneurs, development, and the growth of businesses through access to credit in the form of soft loan. Upon assumption of office, I saw that most businesses, especially the small ones, were struggling. Many closed, while some others were grabbing for bread, due mostly to a lack of access to credit, which the bank only can provide at neck-breaking interest. Therefore, the need for this scheme became inevitable. Lack of access to credit aggravates financial exclusion. Which is a major problem why we had to come together to work on this scheme. As a state, we cannot talk about economic growth without stimulating business activity to create wealth and job through policies and programs that will engender greater public access to credit and financial inclusion. As you are aware, and you know, as critical driver to economic growth and development, small, medium businesses are very, very important. By empowering our people to cultivate available economic opportunity, access to credit is a powerful tool for achieving financial security and prosperity. This was why we allocated and sustained funds in our 2024 budget to support entrepreneurial development and growth of small and medium-scale businesses in the state. To translate the budgetary provision to reality, we agreed with BOI in jointly set up a 4 billion naira matching loan fund for both parties, contributing 2 billion each, which has since been established and ready for disbursement to the beneficiaries. Today, we are all here to witness the formal launch and distribution of check to 3,666 micro, small, and medium-scale enterprises, and 100 companies in the state from all the 23 local government areas, including businesses owned by non-indigenous, valued at over 3.6 billion naira only. We can only keep on imagining the economic value that over 3,000 small, medium business enterprises could add to the positive economic dynamics of Rivers State and the local government areas in terms of gross domestic product, increased tax return, employment creation, income distribution, and production of goods and services. Let me congratulate the beneficiaries of this loan and remind you that the practical aim of this program is to financially empower you to achieve your full economic potentials and contribute to the development of society. I therefore employ you to use it to grow your businesses, expand into new ventures, hire more hands, and even aspire to become bigger in your businesses. It is important to make it clear that this is a very liberal loan, not given as a charity, and therefore must be paid back so that some others, including your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, even your enemies, can also access it for their businesses, because the fund belongs to Rivers and everyone. At this point, let me thank the management of Bank of Industry for their support, partnering with us for this program to be successful. We are satisfied with today's outing and the professionalism, believing even more stronger that the potential outcome will be greater, both for the Bank of Industry, the government of Rivers State, and the wonderful people of our dear states. Once again, I assure the management of Bank of Industry that we cherish this symbiotic economic partnership and reaffirm our commitment to further strengthening and cultivate it for the benefit of the people of Rivers State. Just let us know what other funding packages and products that you have. When I say you, I mean Bank of Industries. We can explore and drive strong and inclusive economic growth of our dear states. I further appeal to you to grant more credit opportunities and business support to the more Rivers State entrepreneurs to establish and expand their businesses. Yesterday, I watched a documentary about your support for businesses in Rivers State. They were showing something buka, they were showing a bakery, all were your support to businesses in Rivers State. I want to thank you. As we all know, this is the shortest path to entrepreneurial success and a strong tool for economic prosperity. The West is not big because of the big businesses. The West is progressive because of the small businesses that we are supporting today. I believe that in the next 6 months to 1 year, our internal revenue will improve. More projects will be accomplished because you pay me more tax, and I will declare it to you, and I will invest it for you. Let me especially commend the MD and the entire management of the Rivers State Microfinance Agency for a job well done in the successful implementation of this program. I urge you to monitor the progress of the beneficiaries in their businesses and ensure 100% recovery of the loan to guarantee the sustainability of this program. Let your mind not be troubled when I say 100%. But you have to pay back. Even if you have to let go some, you must show commitment and seriousness. Finally, I wish to assure the good people of Rivers State that the better days are here, and reiterate our commitment to realize the social contract for the benefit of the present and future generation of our states. We will continue to support our people to take control of their financial circumstance and ensure that they present the state in economic security and stronger development. On this note, it is my honor to formally launch the Rivers State and the Bank of Industry 4 billion naira matching fund loan scheme for macro, small, and medium-scale businesses across the states. Thank you. May God bless our dear state, Rivers State.
Your Excellency. Niger is sorted Monday from Andon. Next is Mabintin Ibons. Next to receive her check is, or his check is Obu Anuku Madu. And from Ikwere local government area, Amadi Priscillian. We have from Eche local government area, Amadi. From Ahuda East local government area, good news. From Opobon Korong local government area. And we have from Okrika local government area, Tamino Miebi. From Boni local government area, Grace. From Degema local government area, Rogers, Tamino. From Asarito local government area, Douglas. And we have from Abua Odwa local government area, Gift. From Port Harcourt City local government area, and from Gokana local government area, Bara. From Kana local government area, Leban Tom Dure. From Amuma local government area. Then we have from Ahoda West local government area, Gillies Emia. From Emime local government area, we have Wogi Ingay Peace. From Akukotor, from Thai local government area. And then a representative of people living with the angel, Helen. people living with disability. Next is customers should please file out so we don't waste more time. Thank you. SL Resources Limited. Henry Banks Technology. Oyela Chika Integrated Services. Ogaranya Ugo and Company Limited. Viva Mandiba Construction Limited. Elect Health System Enterprises. Benpan Integrated Services Limited. Berry Leon Global Services. Natural Hair Doctors. And last but not the least, Banesto Global Resources. The Director of River State as he goes back to take his seat after